My name is Ian, and this is Lotus jacobaeus. Now, I think this is very, very attractive. It's standout for me for many reasons. You've got the very delicate foliage, which is quite dense. It's not see-through or stark. Slightly pendulous, but topped off with these beautiful chocolate, deep, deep burgundy compound flowers. Very elegant, very, very tasteful. Not in your face like red or orange or yellow, but this muted color with this foliage I think is very, very attractive. Now this plant will do better with full sunshine, and it wants it slightly on the drier side. So I've got it here planted in some gravel to help aid with the drainage. And what the gravel also does, it takes in heat from the sunlight, and that heat is then reflected back into the plant. Any plant with a slight grey tinge is better off with a bit more sunshine and a bit more freer draining.